My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of cases. I worked 10 really long years at the IRS, so the information that I give you comes from the tax defense side as well as working for IRS. So you know you have a very credible voice here giving you the information. I've been on national TV many times. I've got to hold my book up every day. My partner says you should hold your book there. I held my book up for you. So anyway, I want to talk to you today about if you owe IRS corporate tax debt, what IRS is going to do. I used to do this for a living. I was a revenue officer. So if you had a large corporate IRS debt, a case would be assigned to me. So when these cases are assigned to revenue office to work, the first thing they do a bunch of checks on their own computer, internal computer, and find out all about you through all the sources that they have. And they have many sources. They have a lot more on individuals, but they can do credit report searches and all kinds of government searches you don't know about, LexisNexis. They can do all of this stuff, just so you know. They have a wide reach. And then the next thing they're going to do is they're going to ask for they already have your business their corporate returns. They'll probably ask for your personal returns, and then they're going to want the business financial statement. That holds the key to IRS working your case. I have cases at $5 to $10 million. I have cases as low as $250,000. The way IRS is going to close your case is by the evaluation of your current business and IRS's verification of the statement. They're going to really drill down on income and expenses, because if you can't pay the debt in full, which you usually can't, IRS is going to look at where your money's going. So I just want you to know, if you have this, you got to be really, really cognizant of any financial statement you're giving to IRS, because that alone is going to hold the key to your corporate life financially and what IRS is going to do. Plus, IRS is going to look at any of the officers that have anything to do with the business to make sure everything's filed. If you have corporate debt, you've got to make sure estimates are made. If you have 941s in your personal life, for me, I did a full compliance check. I dropped the whole net on everything that the corporation had, owned, anything they had reached to see could they pay the debt, what was going on, and I did a really deep dive. So if you need me, call me. But that's how what IRS is going to do. Make sure all your tax returns are filed. If you have any estimate payments of any kind, make sure you make them personal, whatever, and you're best off having a former IRS agent work in your case. Just me. Have a good one. Thank you for listening, and now you know the truth.